Hello dear students. Welcome back to Mahesh Tutorials Maths Camp Day 3. This is Ajay sir here. Hope you all are doing well. Before we start with today's session students, I want you all to kindly rename yourself along with your center name. The students, those who are attending it for the first time, kindly listen to me properly. You need to rename yourself along with your center name. The students, those who are from Palghar Center, need to write PLG in front of your name. The students, those who are from Virar Center, you need to write VRR in front of your name. The students, those who are from Mira Road Center, need to rename themselves as MRD in front of their name. Students from Borivali Center need to rename as BOV in front of their name, surname. Students from Malad to Goregaon need to rename themselves as BOV in front of their name. The students, those who are from Vasai to Virar, need to rename VRR. So yes, I can see everyone has renamed except Harsh Rane, Om Chokshi, here Rajita Nair. Kindly rename yourself. Anshita Singh, kindly rename along with your center name. Jihan Shah, Kriti Patel, kindly rename yourself along with your center name so that it becomes easy for us to identify yourself, to mark your attendance. Yes. Anshita, kindly rename yourself. Kriti Patel, kindly rename yourself. Harsh Rane. Okay. So I can say everyone has renamed. That's really great. Very good. Superb. So now students, it's time for us to start with today's session. In today's lecture students, we are going to start with one very simple chapter of your math syllabus. That is the new chapter that we are starting from today. That is nothing but chapter number 14, and the name of the chapter is factorization. Very simple and very interesting chapter students. Now before we start anything from this chapter, first of all let us understand what do we mean by the word factorization. Now students, factorization means basically we need to convert expanded form in the form of bracket. जो भी expand करके दिया रहेगा ना उसको हम लोग को ब्रैकेट में कन्वर्ट करना है in the form of multiplication. Now let's understand by taking some examples. For example, in 7th standard you must have studied some basic identities, some formulas like a plus b the whole square. What is the formula of a plus b the whole square? The formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab, or we can say a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then you have studied the another identity of minus, that is a minus b the whole square is equal to what? A square plus b square minus 2ab, or you can say a square minus 2ab plus b square. 2 वाले को हम लोग मिडल में भी लिख सकते हैं. And another identity we have studied, that is nothing but a square minus b square. उसका expanded form क्या होता है? a plus b, a minus b. Now basically in this chapter what we are going to do is, जहां पे आप लोग को expanded form दिया रहेगा ना उसको ब्रैकेट के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है in the form of bracket. Right? To understand this, there are some basic information, some basic questions that you need to understand. Okay. So based on that, we are going to start with the very first exercise of this chapter. That is nothing but practice set for 14.1. Question number 1. Let's see the question. Yes. Now students, I hope you all can see the question in front of your screen. Can you all see the question? Yes. Okay, great. Arpita, can you please read the question? What is given? Arpita.
Find the common factors of the given terms 12x and 36.
Yes. Thank you, Arpita. Okay. Now, here the question is, students, find the factors. Find the common factors. कौन से factors find करना है? Common factors. Common मतलब जो same हम लोग को दिख रहे हैं, right? Of the given terms. Now there are two terms given to us. As you can see, there is in between comma is there, right? तो comma के पहले and comma के बाद there are two terms now. Okay. So what we are going to do is, first we are going to write the given two terms 12x and 36. इसके हम लोग को कॉमन फैक्टर्स फाइंड करना है. कॉमन फैक्टर्स फाइंड करने के लिए स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नीड टू फाइंड द प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ दिस नंबर. ये जो 12 दिया ना, इसके हम लोग को प्राइम फैक्टर्स फाइंड. टू फाइंड द प्राइम फैक्टर्स वी आर स्टडीड इन 6 and 7 स्टैंडर्ड. 12 लास्ट में 2 है, दैट मीन्स इट कम्स इन 2 का टेबल. सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इन रफ वर्क, हम लोग इसके ना प्राइम फैक्टर्स फाइंड करेंगे. क्या करेंगे? प्राइम फैक्टर्स फाइंड करेंगे 12 के. सो विल डू रफ वर्क ओवर हियर. 12 को हम लोग कितने से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं स्टूडेंट्स? ऑब्वियसली 2. इट्स इवन नंबर, सो लेट अस डिवाइड इट बाय 2. 2 6 are 12. अगेन 6 को डिवाइड करेंगे. 2 3 are 6. 3 comes in 3 table, so 3 1s are 3. That means students, यहाँ पे this 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3, right? इसको हम लोगों ने मल्टीप्लिकेशन के फॉर्म में प्राइम फैक्टर्स फाइंड किया. एंड x is also there, 12 into x, so we are going to write into x, right? So we have expanded 12x को हम लोग ने expand किया in the form of prime factors. Let us take the another number, that is 36. Again 36 के we are going to find the prime factors. 36 is an even number which we can divide by 2. So let us start dividing by 2. Tell me, 2 into how much is 36, students? Yes, perfect. 36 का half 18. Again next, 2 into how much is 18? 2 into how much is 18? Perfect. 9s are. तो 9 2 के टेबल में नहीं आता है, तो कितने से डिवाइड करेंगे? यस, परफेक्ट. 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे. 3 into how much is 9? 3s are. And 3 comes in 3 table, that is 3 1s are. That means this 36, students, we can write it as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. As simple as that. Now after this what we are going to do is, अभी दोनों को हम लोग ने जैसे एक्सपांड कर दिया, we can see there are some common factors available here. कुछ नंबर से जो सेम दिख रहे हैं हम लोग को यहाँ पे. So let us mark that along with the help of pencil. पेंसिल से हम लोग उसको मार्किंग करेंगे जो जो कॉमन दिख रहा है दोनों में. So दोनों में कॉमन क्या दिख रहा है हम लोग को? 2 is there. One more 2 is there, that is common. One more 3 is there, that is common. So we are going to write the common factors along with multiplication sign. दोनों में 2 रिपीट हो रहा था तो 2 लिखा. Into one more 2 is there. Into 3 is there. Now we are going to multiply this. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. So your answer for this is nothing but 12. And we are going to keep it in the box for better presentation. I hope you all have understood this basic question, how to find the common factors. How to find? First we are going to find the prime factors of the given terms, and then we are going to find the common numbers. Very simple question, students. I hope it is very much clear to each and everyone. Yes, we are going to understand few more questions based on the same. So let's proceed with the next question, students. I'm going to give you a time for writing some question ka answer. So let's see the next question. Next question is this. Yes. Beta Om, Can you please read the question what is given?
Yes, sir. 2y, 22xy.
Yes. How many terms given?
There are 2y and 22xy.
That means
Two
how many?
terms.
Two terms. Correct. Very good, Om. Thank you. So now after this, students, here we can see comma के पहले, comma के बाद. Two terms are there. Against the same question, we need to find the common factors. दोनों में same के हम लोग को दिखाना. अभी डायरेक्टली देख के we can't say यहाँ पे सेम y है तो आंसर इज y. उसको पहले हम लोग को प्राइम फैक्टराइज करना पड़ेगा. सो लेट्स राइट डाउन द गिवन टर्म्स. फर्स्ट वन इज 2y. 2y को एक्सपांड अगर करना है वी कैन राइट 2y एज 2 into y. वेरी सिंपल. कमिंग टू नेक्स्ट वन दैट इज 22xy. स्टूडेंट्स 22 के अंदर काफी सारे नंबर छुपे हुए हैं तो उसको हम लोग को निकालना पड़ेगा, प्राइम फैक्टराइज करना पड़ेगा. सो लेट अस डू अ रफ वर्क ओवर हियर. 22 के प्राइम फैक्टर्स. 22 इट्स एन इवन नंबर, 2 से डिवाइड होगा, राइट? सो 2 into 11, 22. 11 is a prime number जो उसी के टेबल में आता है. तो 11 ones are. That means this 22 students can be written as 2 into 11, right? xy is also there, so don't forget to write that. 11 के बाद into x into y. Now prime factorize कर दिया. Now let us find the common factors in both the terms. Tell me students, दोनों में रिपीट क्या हो रहा है, कॉमन क्या क्या दिख रहा है? Yes, perfect, very good. Dhruvi, Bhavi, here, Eva, super. I'm getting answer from everyone so fast. All of you are very much attentive in the class. Super, great. So you can see यहाँ पे दोनों terms में students 2 is common, जो 2 repeat हो रहा है, and y is common, y is also repeating. So your answer is 2 into y. So the answer is 2y. And at the end, we are going to keep it in the box for better presentation. Anybody has any doubt, students, in this question? If anybody has a doubt, kindly text me doubt. If it is clear, text me clear. Yes. Superb. Great. So now, students, I'm giving you a time of 1 minute 30 seconds to write the answer of these two questions in your notebook. So I'm going back. You need to write your answers, right, in the notebook. So I'm going back to the previous slide. This was the first question which we have studied. I want you all to kindly write down the answer in the chat inbox. Oh, sorry, in the notebook. If you're having any doubt, you can text me in the chat inbox. Your time starts now. I hope all of you are having notebook and pen with you all. Yes, Kapil, here you need to write the answer for this question. You need to copy the answer in your notebook so that in future, whenever you are revising this chapter, तो वहाँ पे help होगा. Once it is done, students, kindly text me done so that we can proceed. I hope the first one is done for everyone. Yes, now Om is saying, sir, do we have to show the prime factors all the time? Now, as it is the very first question of this chapter, so we are studying from the basic. बट जब भी आप लोग इसमें मास्टर बन जाओगे, एक्सपर्ट बन जाओगे, आप लोग को डायरेक्टली देख के पता चले दोनों में कॉमन क्या है, तो हम लोग डायरेक्ट भी निकाल सकते हैं. ओके, बट फॉर दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन जो बहुत सिंपल है, जहाँ पे कॉमन फैक्टर्स निकालने विच कम्स इन द एग्जाम फॉर 1 मार्क, वहां पे हम लोग को शो करना पड़ेगा प्राइम फैक्टर्स. ओके, अदरवाइज वेन एवर वी आर सॉल्विंग द नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज 14.2 के जब भी सम सॉल्व करेंगे, बड़े बड़े सम्स, उसमें हम लोग डायरेक्ट करेंगे, तभी तक हम लोग मास्टर हो जाएंगे, एक्सपर्ट बन जाएंगे. बट राइट नाउ वी आर गोइंग फ्रॉम बेसिक. ठीक है. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन स्टूडेंट्स, दिस वन you all can take a screenshot of this, and once the lecture gets over you can write it in your notebook. Just take a screenshot. If you are writing it through laptop, you can take a pic. Okay, so I can see everyone has done writing. Let's proceed with the next question, students, of the same type, and that is nothing but this question. For this, I want Kriti Patel to please read the question. Kriti, can you please unmute yourself?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Kriti, can you please read the question, entire question from here?
Find the common factor of the given term. 14 PQ, 28 PQ.
Yes, 28 P square Q square. Very good. Okay, so Kriti, tell me, how many terms are here? कितने terms हम लोग को दिख रहे हैं?
2 terms.
Correct. Very good. देखने के लिए भले हम लोग यहाँ पे काफी सारे नंबर्स दिख रहे हैं, 14 पी क्यू, क्यू स्क्वायर, पी स्क्वायर, बट टर्म्स कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे? कॉमा के पहले, कॉमा के बाद, राइट? सो कॉमा के पहले एंड कॉमा के बाद you can see there are 2 terms available. So let us write down the first term over here, that is 14 pq. Now students, यहाँ पे 14 is a even number, is an even number जिसको हम लोग प्राइम फैक्टराइज कर सकते हैं, तोड़ सकते हैं. इसके अंदर काफी सारे नंबर छुपे हुए हैं. सो लेट्स फाइंड द प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ 14. 2 के टेबल में आएगा 2 7s. ना स्टूडेंट्स, साइड में जो हम लोग रफ वर्क करते हैं ना, दैट इज जस्ट फॉर योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. एग्जाम में आप लोग को शो करने की जरूरत नहीं है. ठीक है. तो 14 is nothing but 2 into 7. PQ is also there. So we are going to write into P into Q. Next term is 28 P square Q square. Now 28 comes in 2 का टेबल. इसको अगेन हम लोग प्राइम फैक्टराइज करेंगे. 28 2 14s, 2 7s, 7 1s. So this 28 students, we can write it as 2 into 2 into 7. P square Q square. P square means P is repeating twice. P 2 बार आ रहा है. So we are going to write into P into P. Q square, that means Q is coming 2 times. So we are going to write Q into Q. Right? After this, दोनों में students, चलो फटाफट tell me what is common. दोनों में common क्या है? Yes, very good, perfect. Everyone is very much clear with the concept. दोनों में common factors कौन कौन से students? 2 is common and 7 is common. 1p is common and 1q is common. दोनों में रिपीट हो रहा है. बी केयरफुल. स्टार्टिंग से लेकर आप लोग को, जब आप लोग एग्जाम में लिख रहे हो, दोनों में पेंसिल से मार्किंग करने का. ठीक है. Now let us multiply. 2 7s are 14, 14 PQ. तो जैसे ओम ने बोला था कि सर हम लोग डायरेक्ट यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं क्या? डायरेक्ट दोनों में हम लोग को पता चला 14 एंड 28 में कॉमन इज 14 एंड P और Q रिपीट हो रहा है. तो धीरे धीरे आप लोग को पता चलेगा डायरेक्ट कैसे कॉमन निकालना है. बट वेन एवर वी आर सॉल्विंग दिस काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन, आप लोग स्टेप बाय स्टेप ही करना स्टार्टिंग में, ठीक है. At the end, we are going to keep it in a box for better presentation. Let us take one more question of the same type, students. After this, we are going to start with the next type of question. So let us see one last question of the same type. Now this time, Nihar, kindly read the question. What is given?
Yes, sir. Find the common factors of the given terms 2x, 3x square and 4.
Okay, Nihar, tell me how many terms are here now? Yes, Nihar, how many terms are there?
Sir, there are 2.
प्लीज चेक इट प्रॉपरली. कॉमा के पहले कॉमा के बाद जो भी है ऐसे हम लोग को आइडेंटिफाई करना है. सो हाउ मेनी टर्म्स आर देयर? Yes, correct. I'm getting answer in the chat inbox from Nihar and all the other students as well. The answer is 3 terms. कॉमा के पहले, कॉमा के बाद, कॉमा के बाद 3 terms are there, right? So let's write down all the terms one by one. 2x, 2x को अगर एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में लिखना है तो 2 into x. यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स why we are writing 1 that you will understand afterwards. फिलहाल के लिए हम लोग यहाँ पे एज इट्स लिखेंगे 2 into x. नेक्स्ट वन इज 3x square, that is 3 into x into x. Next one is 4. 4 can be written as 2 into 2. Now, यहाँ पे students if you observe in all the 3 terms, तीनों में चेक करना है ऐसा कोई नंबर या फिर अल्फाबेट है जो रिपीट हो रहा है तीनों में. नथिंग इज देयर, राइट. तीनों में कोई भी ऐसा नंबर नहीं है, कोई भी ऐसा एक अल्फाबेट नहीं जो रिपीट नहीं हो रहा है, जो रिपीट हो रहा है. सो फॉर दैट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन व्हाट वी नीड टू डू इज, हम लोग को क्या करना पड़ेगा, वहां पे 1 लिखना पड़ेगा. इफ देयर इज नथिंग कॉमन, अगर कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं है, देन द ऑलवेज द कॉमन फैक्टर इज 1. अगर कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं है तो ऑलवेज कॉमन क्या होगा, 1, बिकॉज 1 के टेबल में सब कुछ आता है. दैट्स वाई फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन वी आर राइटिंग 1 into 1 into 1 into like this, so that you can see तीनों में यहाँ पे रिपीट क्या हो रहा है, 1 is repeating. So the answer is 1 itself, and we are going to keep it in a box for better presentation. Very simple question, students. So this was the last question for this type of question. The remaining questions I hope you all can solve as a homework. Very simple question. अगर आप लोग को टेबल प्रॉपरली आते हैं तो यू कैन फैक्टराइज, प्राइम फैक्टराइज करने के बाद यू कैन फाइंड द कॉमन फैक्टर्स जो सेम सेम दिख रहे हैं. सो आई होप इट इज very much clear to each and everyone how to solve this type of questions. Yes, I'm giving you time of 1 minute 30 seconds to write the answer for this question. Your time starts now. Once it is done, kindly let me know in the chat inbox done करके. So I hope it is done for everyone. I'm getting a reply in the chat inbox. Okay. So now students, it's time for us to proceed with the next type of question.